Hello, my family. My today's very will be about this Sajikot Waterfall, which is actually located in Pakistan. So, as we heard that the old saying, music is the food of soul. Upon my deepest analysis, nature is the pure medicine for a peaceful and cool mind. So let's look at a Sajikot waterfall. So Sajikot waterfall is located in Tehsil Havelian district, Abbottabad, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the province of Pakistan. It is a popular tourist destination. It is about 27 kilometers away from Havelia and 40 kilometers from Abbottabad district. Sajikot Waterfall distance from Islamabad is 77 kilometers. The waterfall is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the Pakistan. So the freshwater streams and breathtaking sights are an elegant location of the Sajikot waterfall. It is popular for hiking, trekking, climbing, and camping. It's also good for swimming. So this waterfall is a center of attraction for the tourists because of the scenic landscape and the peaceful atmosphere. So this is an entire video of a Sajikot waterfall. I will recommend to visit here, and thank you so much.